If Telegram keeps freezing, lagging, or becoming unresponsive on your iPhone, this video is for you. These problems are usually caused by cache overload, background restrictions, or network issues. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Try to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Turn airplane mode on for about 10 seconds, then turn it off, and ensure you're on the latest version. If that does not work, then follow these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Clear the local database. Open Telegram, then go to Settings. After that, tap Data and Storage. Now tap Storage Usage and tap the Clear Entire Cache. This will not delete your chats. It just clears the text search index and reloads it from the cloud. Solution 2. Limit automatic media downloads. Go to Telegram settings. After that, tap Data and Storage. Under Automatic Media Download, turn off the toggles for using cellular and using Wi-Fi. This forces the app to only download media when you tap on it. Solution 3. Check for proxy latency. Go to Telegram settings, then go to Data and Storage. Scroll down and tap Proxy. If you're using a proxy, disable it to see if performance improves. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Go to iPhone settings, then go to General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now tap Reset. Select Reset Network Settings. This won't delete your data, but it will reset all network connections. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more iPhone and Telegram fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.